my name is Rebecca, and I am excited to have my dear friend and counterpart here at Legal Services join me today. Allison, I'm going to have you go ahead and introduce yourself and your role.
Hello, I am Allison Anderson. I am client support here with Legal Services of North Dakota over in the Grand Forks region.
Awesome. So you said you were client support, right?
Yes.
What does that all entitle? Like, what do you all handle on a day-to-day basis with Legal Services?
A lot. Basically all the non-legal things. So whatever an attorney does, we handle everything on the non-legal side of it, whether it's social work aspects, doing drafts of healthcare directive, power of attorneys, meeting with clients, getting to form that relationship with them, seeing what their needs are, how exactly we can assist them. And yeah, just day to day, it's never the same thing. So, which is kind of nice, but it's a variety of a bunch of different things for the attorneys to make their jobs easier.
That's awesome. So with helping make the attorneys' lives easier, I'm assuming that you deal then with the clients mainly as your day-to-day basis?
Correct.
I'm also assuming that means that you're a very big people person.
At work, yes. When it comes to my personal life, no. I am a hermit. But yes, lots of networking, lots of communication with clients via phone, in person, email, just trying to gain their trust mostly, and assist in that relationship between the client and the attorney to get the documents we need, to get things signed, that sort of thing.
Awesome. And you said you were based out of the Grand Forks location, right?
Correct.
Is that the only area that you serve, or do you help reach other areas of the state?
Nope. Actually, with client support, there's 3 of us, and we all 3 work throughout the state. So I could have some cases in Bismarck, while Grand Forks, Minot. We're not just stationed where we are out of.
Cool. So I'm assuming that it must be nice to be able to travel a little bit and see kind of different areas as well.
I do. I love it.
I'd have to agree. I feel the same way. So you've been with Legal Services for how long again now?
It was 2 years last Friday.
Oh, exciting. Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
What made you decide to accept your position and role with Legal Services?
I was employed with a local advocacy company, and I was an on-call advocate. I loved being able to assist people in what they needed. And it's just something my heart has always been into, was the advocacy. So when I saw Legal Services was looking for someone, to assist with more of the domestic violence, sexual assault aspect of cases, I applied. I met with the managing attorney here, who was Gordon. He's now gone. But I just had a really good feel. I've always enjoyed working for nonprofits versus for-profit. So I did take a good 3 hours and thought about it when they offered it to me. And I accepted.
That is awesome. Well, I know I am certainly thankful that you joined, especially since you're the one that helped recruit me for coming and working here. And I know that it's been nothing but a joy and fun process getting to learn everything and learn with you and from you.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. And you've been a great addition to the team.
Well, I thank you very much. So I know when I came on, which is fairly new, there was a whole bunch of new personnel transitions as well as technology transitions, all kinds of different improvements, at least as far as I think. Mm-hmm. And I think that's kind of the general consensus. Out of all the new improvements and everything taking place, what has been your favorite that you've seen come in?
Probably that we are updating the website, updating the digital flyers and the brochures. and just really updating everything. We're giving LSND kind of a whole new look, which I really, really love. I think our director's doing a great job with making it not look like everything was done in, 1992. Um, so I really, really love that. It's making it easier for clients to get in contact with us. I love being able to log into my phone from my cell phone to my office phone. And having my voicemails read to me, so if I am in the car, versus the office, I don't have to take down a number. I'm able to get it right there. So I think everything is just kind of on the up and up. I know it is a lot at one time, and that's not something a lot of people enjoy. Technology can be scary, but I think for a company as a whole, it's going to make us so much better.
I couldn't agree more. I think that it's been fantastic, even just from what I've been hearing from clients and stuff coming back and telling us as well. So, with you being in the Grand Forks area and us having our roles, are there any specific community things that you go out and do?
Well, LSND just became a member of the chamber. I go to, well, that's outreach, that's for work, the senior center once a month, and then I'm at the library once a month. I'm at, where else am I? The job center once a month, and then I also just joined Grand Forks Women's Leadership. So they put on a lot of great classes. I'm going to a few before I nominate anyone from LSND to do a presentation. So I'm going to my first one actually tonight.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Definitely sounds like you also keep busy working here as well. Constantly on the go.
But I mean, it's something I love to do. It's not something where I'm like, oh, I have to go do this community thing, and I love it.
Exactly. Well, and you excel at it too, so it's not a surprise that it's a baseline passion for you as well.
Right.
So, with all of that being said, and you obviously having a few years of experience doing this kind of work, even though it's only been 2 with LSND, what is your favorite attribute for yourself or skill set that you feel like you bring?
Just that I'm able to really talk to people. A lot of times, as you know, we have to ask really difficult questions, depending on our cases. And I think that's one of the things I love about you. It's one of the things I love about myself is that we are very relatable. So we kind of do everything we can to make the clients comfortable. We don't sit there, we're not judging. We're trying to retain as much information as we can, but still doing it in a very personable way versus just typing everything or staring at a screen. We really want to gain that trust with the client. So for me, I think that's probably my best attribute.
I would agree wholeheartedly. I've seen plenty of clients just all of a sudden kind of leave with a looking like the weight is off their shoulders after they've been done with a meeting and you, because it is nice when you actually know that you have that trusted person that's on your side and helping you.
Yes.
Well, I think that pretty much covers all of my questions that I have for you today.
Okay, great.
I really appreciate you taking the time to sit here and meet with me and everyone else that gets to watch this and explain your role. My parting question is, what is one fun fact about yourself?
One fun fact, if anyone knows me personally, my husband and I have a total of 8 animals. We have 3 dogs and 5 cats. Well, before I met my husband, I had a severe fear of cats. I hated them. Didn't think they were cute. Did not want them around me. Didn't want them looking at me. My mom said I was attacked as a little girl at my cousin's house with like a kitten, and it traumatized me. I don't know if that's true or not, but my husband had this cat. His name was DJ, and he would not let me not like him. Whether I went to bed or if I laid on the couch or just sat there, he would have to sit on me. and he would purr. And I finally, after a couple months of dating, got to like pet him. And ever since then, I'm that crazy cat lady.
Well, we are very thankful for DJ, because now you have all of the rest of the fantastic animal household full.
My crazy farm.
We wouldn't have it any other way. And also, sounds like DJ is persistent like you and I can be, so even more love to him.
I'm kind of like, you're going to love me, so I'm just going to annoy you till you do. I mean, it worked for my husband, so.
Oh, man. Well, thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you and seeing more from you in the future, hopefully on some more of those website improvements coming through.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.